buy a pint. Skip the line. Okay, let's take a look at what we have. We have a pint, which is 16 ounces. But Van Leeuwen ice cream is trying to rip you off. So they're taking away a certain amount of that 16. So the certain amount, I don't know, of the 16, which means it's times. And they are making that equal to 14. That's what they're doing. So let's just solve this linear equation. You just take away 16 from both sides. You know, that cancels, and minus x times 16 is a negative 16x equals 14 minus 16 is a negative 2. We divide both sides by negative 16, and we get x equals a positive. And if I take my calculator out, and it will be, I should know this, 0.125. So what does that mean? That is 12.5% less of a pint. So let's see what that means. Okay, let's see what this means. So Van Leeuwen is sneakily removing 12.5% of their ice cream from the container and still calling it a pint. So what is 12.5%? Well, that means it is removing 12 of these. If we pretend that this pint can be broken up into 100 pieces of ice cream, if you can imagine that we're flattening out this ice cream along this square, they're removing 12 and a half. So I cut the 13 and a half. So they're removing all this and still calling it a pint, even though they've taken that much ice cream out of every container. And that is misleading.